High Court Judge Esther Muremba made a rather unexpected move when she decided to step down from presiding over the case involving Neville Mutsvangwa and 2 others. Now, this isn't something you hear every day. A judge recusing herself from a case? That's bound to stir some curiosity. Justice Muremba cited personal reasons for her decision. While she didn't go into specifics, this action has thrown a spotlight on the judicial proceedings. It's not just about who's in the dock, but also about those who wield the gavel. What happens next is crucial. The case has been sent back to the registrar, meaning the search is on for a new judge. This isn't just a minor hiccup, it's a significant shift that could influence the direction and the pace of the judicial process. For residents and followers of legal battles, this development opens up a lot of questions. What were the personal reasons? Could this affect the fairness of the trial? And most importantly, how will this impact the accused and their right to a speedy trial? These are questions that we need to keep our eyes peeled for answers to. So, what do you think about this unusual judicial twist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this discussion going. Remember, understanding such dynamics not only keeps us informed, but also sharpens our perspectives on the justice system. That's it for now. Keep watching for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news. Stay informed, stay engaged.